Okay, so when you get here, these are a little bit easier because sides are proportionate, right? They have the same scale factor. But your angle measures in similar figures, you should know by now, angle measures do not change in similar figures, just your side lengths. So if we are trying to show that these triangles are similar, then we're trying to show that all the angles in the big triangle, the red one, are the same as all the angles in the small triangle. All right, and we really don't have to do much work here because if we know two of the angles, then we can assume the third angle is it. So what I'm trying to say is, let's say, if we can do 22.3 and 49.5, and you can match it to 22.3 and 49.5 in the other triangle, we can assume, because triangles add to 180, that these third sides are going to be congruent. Third angles. If you want to find the third angle, you can. So you could do 180 minus 49.5 minus 22.3. And that is 108.2. And then look, if we did, even if we wrote it out, 49.5 minus 22.3, those are the same numbers. So you're going to end up with 108.2. So when you're proving triangles similar, we only have to prove that two of the angles are the same in the triangles. So it says state which triangles are similar by AA. So you have to make sure that you're matching up your angles correctly. So this triangle, you can put these in any order. So let's just say KCG, capital KCG. But then you have to look and match up. So K is 22.3, and the angle in the small triangle that's 22.3 is W. So K and W are lining up. C is the one that didn't have anything, and the one that doesn't have anything over here is O. So O, and then the last letter would be S. So O and S. Then they're saying to do the same thing that we did before. Okay, now that you know that these triangles are similar, you proved it with angle similarity. That's what this is, angle similarity. We can set up proportions to find certain angle measures. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to go here, and we're going to label all your stuff. So they said that OS, it was letting me do text on the other ones, but I don't know why it's not letting me know. Okay, so OS is 2.44. You can use the text. I feel like that's the easiest thing to do when you're labeling. SW is 6.1. OW is 4.88. GK is 16.47. So the first thing they tell you to do is use X for KC and set up a proportion. So we can say, okay, KC is going to OW. We can use our congruency statement. KC is going to OW, 4.88. Go back to your original. The only value that we have is 16.47, and that's K and G, which is going to W and S, which is 6.1. That goes into this spot. Then you would solve it, cross multiply, and get your answer. Do the same for Y, and then find the perimeter. And then you're done. All right, goodbye.